Hello everyone. How are you? Have you ever wanted to build your own snake game? So, in today's video, I will show you how to create this classic game in Scratch. Okay, from scratch. So, by the end of this video, you will have a full working game with movement, food, scoring, and game over. So, let's start our code. So let me show you what result we will get. So I will run the project again. So as you can see, this is our snake. We have to use WSAD. So W is like if you want to move to the upside, A is like if you want to move to the downside. Okay. So let me show you something over here. So we will get this result once you will run your project. Okay, if it will meet to any one of this, we can say boundary, your game will going to be stop, and we will try to restart this game. Okay, so let's get start this game. It's very simple. I will explain you each and every details by scratch. Okay, so you can try to create this video, you can watch the full video. Let me show you in Google. You have to be just search for Scratch. We will just go the first link. Even in the description box, I will give you this link. So directly you can click on that. So if you are a new Scratcher, if you created a new account, so that this is your steps, you need to just click on next. I agree. And then try to just click on this create button so that we are able to create a new project here. Okay. So over here, as you can see, we have a cat. So we will try to delete the cat. If you are very new to Scratch, I uploaded lots of video like for Scratch. You can try to see how to log in here, how what is sprite, what is backdrop. So that basic thing you will get in that video. If you want, I will link that video so that you can try to watch it. Okay. So let's get start this project. So the very first thing that we will require for this project, we will require one player, which is snake. We will require the food and we will require the background. Okay. So how to add it? Over here, we will click on paint option. We are going to be paint. Okay. So let me change a snake color as a green. You can try to create your own snake. It's totally your choice. If you don't want this black border, so you can try to remove this value as a 0, as you can see. Okay, now over here we will try to create eyes of snake. You can see everything, like as you can see, this is first eye, this is second eye. Okay, then we will try to put nose, one and two. So as you can see, this is our first part, which is snake. Let's create a second one so you can rename it as a snake. Okay. Second thing that we will add is, again you need to set your paint option. We will try to create a foot now. Okay. So foot is like you can put anything. Suppose I'm just putting one red circle which look like apple. So it means snake is eating apple. As you can see, this is my snake, this is my apple. Okay. If you want, you can try to add one background. So we can choose one background. Okay. For example, I want this blue sky, plain blue sky. So if you can see, there is a blue sky. So this is the basic requirement that we want for snake game. One is like we added the snake. Second one, we added the food. So we can rename it as a food sprite. Okay. We added one backdrop. So first we are going to be start the snake code. So whenever you want to start the snake code, you need to first click on snake over here, then only start your code. Okay. So what do we want here is when we will click on the flag. Okay, so always if you know little bit about scratch, always we have to be start with events. Okay, so when we will click on the flag, we need to broadcast one message which is reset. It means if it will touch to any one of the boundary, we are going to be reset the game basically. Okay, so this is the first part that we added. Now once we will receive the reset, that you will get inside this event, even if you will not get any block, you need to check the color. For example, this is yellow color, so this block you will get in this yellow circle only. Okay, so in this way also you can try to find out your block. Once you will receive reset, we need to wait for some second, like we will just try to wait block you will get in the control. Suppose I just wanted to wait for zero point 0.5 second, like half second. And then I wanted to go to the front layer and we need to show it. So that you will get in the looks. If you will see, scroll it down. This one. We want go to the front layer and then show the snake. Okay. After that, in which direction we wanted to move. So we wanted to move, that you will get in the motion. We wanted to move, for example, take it. So we wanted to move to the right direction. So you can try to see this arrow indicates it is in right direction. Okay. After that, we have to be just go to one. For example, we want snake again here. If it will touch to any one of the boundary, we want the snake here. Okay, so if we want a middle position, you can simply put 0 and 0. So 0 and 0 indicates the middle position. Okay, then we need to create three variable. One is snake length, one is direction, one is score. So it's very simple. Variable is like a container. It is holding a value, right? So make a variable, write a variable name. One is direction, dir. Dir is like direction. I'm adding it. Second one, we want snake length and score. So second one is like snake length. Len is like length. Okay. We want one more variable which is like score. So it's like score is score. So it means it will going to be hold some value. Always we are using the variable in order to hold some value. Okay. Then we will try to create three lists as well, which is header list, head X and head Y. Okay. So how to create a list, it's very important. Like as you can see, it's a make list. You can write head X as your first list. Okay. Then we will make one more head Y and one more, which is head direction. Sorry, head direction. Okay. So we created three lists: head X, head Y, and head direction. As you can see, everything is coming here. We will try to see how to hide all this. Okay, that also I will explain you. After that, what do we want here? We need to delete all head X, all head Y, and direction. Okay, so how you can do that? If you will see over here, there is a delete. So we wanted to delete head X, we wanted to delete head Y, we wanted to delete head direction. All these three things we wanted to delete. After that, after waiting some second in forever, we want to move the direction. So as you can see, we need to go to control, wait for example, I just wanted to wait for 0.2 second. Then in this forever, we wanted to go to point in direction. Now, which direction we will follow? You need to go to the variable. You have to be follow this direction. Okay. Whatever direction we will get, we need to follow it. After that, we have to be just move. So suppose instead of 10, I wanted to move like 40 steps. Okay. Then we are going to be insert the direction. We are going to be insert the x position. We are going to be insert the y position. Okay. So you have to go to variable, scroll it down. As you can see, there is a insert right over here. Okay. So what we wanted to insert, this thing we wanted to put three times. One, two, three, because we have a three thing. One is like head X, one is like head Y, one is like head direction. So in head X, we will try to put X position that you will get from motion. It's like X position. Okay, for Y, head Y, we will try to put Y position. For direction, we wanted to put the direction. So if you have any question, you can comment. Okay, I will reply you. Then the next part is we need to wait for some second. So we will just go to control, try to wait for 0.2 second. Okay. After waiting, now let's see the next one. Again, we will do like suppose if you will press W, so we have to go to the up side, down side. How we will move? Okay. Now we are going to be check it. It's very simple. Now we are about to finish this code. So what I can do is just a moment. Okay, so let's do the next part. As you can see, we did like we did all this. Now let's start the next part, which is once you will receive the reset. Okay, so once we will receive the reset, now we have to be moved to the four side, which is like if we will press up arrow, so where we wanted to move. If we will press, if you want up arrow, down arrow, that also you can do. Or if you want like a WSID, that also you can do. Okay. Now what do we want here in forever? Like just go to control forever. We will try to put four conditions. Okay. Like if condition, this one we will try to put four time. One, two, three, and one more, which is four. This one. Now, what do we want here? We wanted to check if we will press, for example, up arrow. So that you will get from sensing. Okay. So as you can see, this one you need to take. Instead of space, try to take up arrow. If you don't want up arrow, you can go with any key. That's your choice. If we will press up arrow, next, if we will press down arrow, if we will press left arrow, if we will press right arrow. Okay. Now how to define the value? That's very simple. Go to motion. We will take point in direction. Now see, up arrow means you need to go to upside. So you have to be take it. It's like your up arrow. Okay. Next. Next, what do we want here? Second one, if we will press the down arrow. So down is like this one. So you need to check it. So this is about your down arrow. Okay. Next, what we have, if we will press the left arrow. So left arrow is again this one. What do you want? No need to remember these values. You have to be just move it. Okay. So this is nothing but your left side. Same we can do for right side. So again, point in direction, try to take this. So as you can see, this one is like up, this one is like down, this one is like left, and this one is like right. Now if I will run, let me hide it. Hide, hide. Okay. If I will run, If I will press it, see, it's moving, right? Snake is moving. So suppose if you want little bit slow, try to decrease this value. Like you can go with 10 steps. Like see, if you will press this arrow, it is moving fine. Okay. So let's see the next, but this is all about how we can move it. Okay. After moving, what do we want here? We wanted to see the next part. If we will touch to the food, okay, we wanted to increase the score. That's very simple part. So again we can start with event when flag is clicked. Okay, now in forever, like forever means if you want anything again and again. So in forever we can try to check one condition. If snake will touch to food, okay, so where is snake? As you can see that you will get from sensing. Okay, so as you can see, instead of mouse pointer, you need to select food. It means if snake will touch to food, we need to increase the score. Okay, so go to variable. Suppose if you don't want direction and snake length, you can try to remove it so that only score you will get. So we are going to be change your score by one. It means if snake will touch to food, we are going to be change a score by one. Okay, perfect. Okay, so in this way, you can try this project. As you can see, we added all the thing. Okay, you have to be create all these variables like direction, score, snake length. You need to create a list. Okay, then we need to do for all four arrows, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. And if snake will touch to the food, we will change the score. So please do this project. If you will get any kind of issue, just comment me so that once I will receive your comment, I will reply you. Okay. And along the comment, you can try to share your project link as well so that I can see your project. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a great day.